Today, we are diving into something really exciting for developers: GitHub Copilot, your new AI powered coding buddy. And the best part is, it's now free. We can start using it in Visual Studio Code right away. So, here is what we will cover in this video. First, we will see what is GitHub Copilot, and second, we will see how to set it up in Visual Studio Code. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with what exactly is GitHub Copilot. It's an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI. Think of it as a super smart teammate that can suggest code, write functions, or even complete entire files. It's like having a genius coder on a speed dial. We can use GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code through extension. Now, let's see how to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Step 1. Make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your machine. If you don't have it already, you can head over to code.visualstudio.com and download it for your platform. Next, we need to install GitHub Copilot extension for VS Code. For that purpose, let's open up VS Code. Click on this extension icon on the left and type GitHub Copilot in the search bar, and this is the extension that we need to install. Let's click on the install button. This extension will also install GitHub Copilot chat extension along with it. Now the extensions are installed, we are ready to activate GitHub Copilot in VS Code. For that purpose, let's click on this Copilot icon in the title bar. This will open up this chat window. And all we have to do is click on this sign in to use GitHub Copilot button. Once we click on it, it will open up a browser window and we just have to sign in with our GitHub account. Click on the allow. It will redirect us to the Visual Studio Code. It's signing in and that's it. You're all set to explore the magic of GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. In this video, we have covered what is GitHub Copilot and how to set it up in Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!